Now the next question here, can we override instant or static variable? If yes or no, provide the concrete reason behind it. No, it is not possible to override instant or static variable in Java. The reason behind this is that variable overriding is not a concept in Java inheritance model. When we define a variable in a class, that variable bound to the class and its instance subclass can either declare with the same name, but they do not override or modify the variable defined in the superclass. Variable overriding is only applicable to the method, where a subclass can provide its own implementation of the method with the same signature as a superclass. However, when it comes to the variable, each class has its own set of variables with separate memory allocation. Inheritance allows subclass to inherit variables from the superclass, but they cannot modify or override them. Subclass can only access inherited variable and add their own variable with the same or different name. Now let's check the example. We have superclass and subclass. And as I said, let instant variable and static variable. When accessing these variable through the object of the representative class, you can get the value associated with that class, now the superclass. So we have superclass, an instant variable 10, static int, static variable 20, and in subclass with the same name, we are providing 30 and 40. Let's say here created the superclass object with a new subclass, created a new subclass object with the reference of superclass. So here, when we click object one dot instant variable, what it will give the superclass object value. Like if for instant variable in superclass it is 10, it will give that, and for the static variable it will give the object of the superclass static variable. Now, when we are creating the object of subclass to new subclass and calling the instant variable and static variable, it is giving the value of subclass variable. So we can say like, no, it is not possible to override instant variable or static variable in a Java. The reason behind that variable overriding is not a concept in Java inheritance model.